Gray hair is one of the clearest signs of aging. It's something that we will all go through, especially if we are one of those people who are accelerating aging due to some of the specific causes I'm going to reveal to you in this video. But can gray hair be reversed, or can it be stopped? It certainly can. It can be stopped, and in some cases can be reversed, especially if you know exactly what to do. What are the exact causes of gray hair on your head, on your body? How can you reverse this? What are the best tips, the best vitamins, the best foods, the best antioxidants, or reversing agents for this matter that have actually been seen to be scientifically proven? That's what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. Gray hair is something that will bother humanity for many decades to come. That is something that we will all see at a certain point or age that we are going through. Specifically on the causes we might be seeing, we might have a nutrition deficiency, maybe an oxidative stress, maybe a condition or a disease that is rapidly changing our melanocytes, which are cells that produce the pigment to our hair, and are accelerating this aging process. What can you do, and what are the best practices to prevent this? Let's look at this step by step. Number 1, correct your nutritional deficiencies. Every single cell in our body has a goal, has to produce something, maybe energy, maybe a pigment. In this case, melanocytes, which are the ones who produce melanin, which is the pigment to your hair and your skin, should be producing this byproduct with ingredients that are nutritional deficiencies that you might be facing today. Maybe a vitamin, maybe a mineral, maybe a food that you're not eating that is not reaching these melanocytes on your scalp or anywhere on your skin, and is rapidly triggering the appearance of gray hair that could be reversed or could be improved if you only had these nutritional deficiencies reach the cells that need to be reached. Now notice what I'm saying. I'm saying reach the cells because a lot of this has to do with circulation. You might be eating correctly, and we'll get into that in a minute, but these nutritional deficiencies have to be in your body to be absorbed and have to reach your cells in order to be used. So be careful with the lack of B12, iron, maybe not enough blood, folate, vitamin E, vitamin D. All of the vitamins I've just mentioned, and even copper, have a lot to do with the health of your melanocytes and a lot to do with the production of melanin that you might not be seeing, and that's why you're seeing gray hair all over your body. Remember, you need fruits and vegetables. You need meats, especially to have all that B12, the iron you need, copper, all these vitamin E's, maybe eggs, fish, poultry. All of this is going to help a lot with decelerating or deaccelerating the appearance of gray hair on your body. If you need something natural for this purpose, look for Agustin factors, multivitamin, and also apple lyser from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 2, reduce oxidative stress. Oxidation is something that we see all around nature. We see it in metal. We see the aging of wood. We see our houses that might break up because we're seeing oxidation in some areas of our house. This happens and is a natural process to every organism that is dead or alive. And it happens to us inside with just the matter of functioning. Just because you are alive, you're going to produce oxidation. You're going to produce free radicals because you are metabolizing. Your metabolic rate is functioning. And that is a process that is normal, especially will accelerate with certain things that you might not be doing or that you might be doing in order for this process to go through the roof. You need good rest. You need good antioxidants to make sure that this oxidation doesn't accelerate by itself. You need fruits and vegetables, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. All of these antioxidants are going to block oxidation and are going to reduce the dying of these melanocytes, which have to be producing melanin in order for you to see the pigment on your hair. So if you're not taking vitamin C, if you're not taking citrus fruits, if you're not eating vegetables, that might be a good reason why you're seeing gray hair and it's not going away. If you need a good supplement that is one of the best antioxidant fruits in the world, look for Oxy Elixir in capsule form or powder. Look for Ultra C1000 and Bright Caps from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3, you need to manage stress. You might think, what does stress really have to do with gray hair? And our grandmas used to say, don't get stressed out. Don't get all upset because you're going to see gray hair on your scalp or all over your body. And it is true. And this happens sometimes because oxidation shoots through the roof just because you're stressed, and also because you're damaging circulation. Remember, it's circulation that has to take all these vitamins, all these antioxidant products or supplements or vitamins you're taking to your scalp, to those melanocytes, to these cells, for them to produce melanin. And if you're stressed all the time, you're not sleeping, you're anxious, you are damaging circulation. You are disrupting all that blood that needs to carry this oxygen, these nutrients, and you're going to see these cells die off. You're going to see more gray hair appear just because maybe you don't get enough sleep, you don't get enough rest, you don't meditate, you don't do deep breathing or regular exercise. It has a lot to do with feeling well and not having stress. Look for something like QCalm, 5-HTP, or melatonin from Fineland that are going to help you a great deal with the stress that you might be facing. Number 4, correct your circulation. Circulation might be the most important factor that has to do with melanocytes and melanin production. Remember, you might be eating correctly, you might be sleeping well, you might be having all these supplements and vitamins and B12s and vitamin E and whatnot. You might have everything in order, but you have a circulatory problem that might have to do with cholesterol, with diabetes, with not enough oxygen in your blood. You need oxygen in order for everything to flow. You might have something that is lacking in your system. And remember, these melanocytes have very, very tiny blood vessels that need to function properly in order for them to receive all these nutrients, all this oxygen, all this blood, for them to stay alive and produces melanin, which is that byproduct you're looking for. So go out and exercise, take a walk, go to the gym, make sure that you have a good health with circulation. You don't have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, high sugar levels. This is all going to affect the production of melanin, which will later on give you gray hair or not, depending on how circulation is functioning. Don't forget to give this a like button. Don't forget to share. And if you need supplements, look for On Cardio for circulation, On Cardio, Vein Flow, Vascucare, or Metathyroid from Fineland at FinelandVitamins.com. God bless and take care.